it the right way. This one is basically just going to be a low rider. Time, you know. I think I get the other one. I see the line over there on that one. That's that GBODY thing. I bet y'all he know how to open his hood when it's on there. Just bat bat. He probably can do just the one. I got to do bat bat bat. So over here on the side, I didn't see on the back. He actually got the console all the way to the back. All right, lighten it up, y'all. There it goes, all the way to the back, and it has an additional cup holder. So now y'all seen the whole car. Yeah, this is nice. Your daughter about to have all kind of damn macaroni and cheese and what's that stuff called? McDonald's back there. McDonald's French fries back there. Yeah. He said he gonna be calling her an Uber. We do got another car here that we gonna review. It's a GBODY. It's an El Camino. The car is actually not ready to come out yet, and the owner said if I record it, he's gonna put hands on me. But this ass whooping is gonna be worth it to show you guys. So let's go back here to the backyard, House of Booze, and see what we're working with. Where the K9 at? So we're gonna come back here to House of Booze real quick, see what see what she is, man. This is not the first engine that was in here. This is the second engine that was in here. Keep in mind, I gotta show what happened to that one. Is the head still off? Yeah. So the first engine ran good, ran drive, made over 550 horsepower. See what happened to this thing. It was this one? Oh, it's the inside. So check this out. Oh, it's that one over there. So anybody need a set of LS3 heads? We got you. So he tore this thing up or whatever. So this one is trash. He pulled this engine out, went and set this other one in. There's the K9. What's up, K9? What's up, girl? What's up, Miss Lady Snoop? What's up, moms? So basically, what's up, Mozzie? What's up, boy? So basically, this is the second engine that is in this vehicle right here. Hey, don't sniff my ass. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no drawers on. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. This is actually the second engine that went in here. This is 602, right? 62? Yeah, 602. Mozzie, move! Before I hit your big ass head. Got a 6.0 in here. Same thing. Got that big old blower. Like I said, House of Boost. Has a supercharger. Damn, trick flow heads on this thing. Girl, he got some money. Who is this? Oh, okay, I thought you was Mozzie. I was about to slap you, Miss Lady. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys be able to check it out. Like I said, it's damn, man, it's turning back down to a damn GBODY, man. It's turning back to a GBODY.
Look at the fucking brakes.
All right, man, let's look at the damn brakes, man. If I get my ass, I guess I'm gonna get 2 ass whoopings. Got the Brembo big brake set up on it.
$300 get you right.
He said $300. He got them in the back.
No, they took them out because of them pieces.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
So check it out. Damn, man, he got an Autotech alternator on here. That's nice. Yeah, it's gonna be worth this ass whooping. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get.
I'll put one coil pack on for you right there.
MSD, huh? MSD. What do you say, Stacey Adams?
Stacey Adams.
This might look good.
Shot a couple niggas.
He said, you know, all the dumb shit.
Awesome double. She's smarter than I was, Dirty Joe. Swap straight.
Yeah, nigga, for real.
Let's get up and set it already. Pass the belt.
Pass the blower, pass the pedal, youngster.
Show you how that works.
Yeah, this one right here clean, man. I like this one a lot, dude. Hey, the powder coat does make it look way down better. So this is actually, yeah, this I can show them right there. This is what this kind of PNP we get you right. That's what he got on his setup or whatever for the water pump and the the radiator. Oh, let me show him that. Watch out, K9. So that's the water pump right there that you guys can see with the AN16 to AN20. That's the lower side. This is the upper hole side. That is his cold air intake that he'll be using. Oh, he got the header ceramic coated?
BRP sold some headers and they started rusting like right away. And they had to get recoated.
BRP for the win, huh?
I still fuck with BRP because, you know,
Hey,
they mounts.
this is fire as hell, dude.
What's fire?
The whole is whooping. It's fly whooping.
Yeah, it is some bracket shit going on with this car.
It's bracket on B's. I bid like a month. I'm looking at. I bid. He got the head studs on there.
Border bore nuts, batty bumpy, and bigger right now.
He got the UMI upper. He got the UMI upper and lowers. Got the sway bars. Damn. He upgraded the damn pulley. Girl, he got some money.
Yeah, that motherfucker there, $1,000 for that full setup.
Yeah, I know. Mine ain't gonna look nothing like this.
On my mama, on my hood.
He ready. And then it's running operating off of a Terminator X. Terminator X system right here. It's time for the Terminator. It's time for the Terminator. You want to start getting in the backyard, man. As you guys can see, the trick flow heads. The channel is turning into a GBODY channel. If you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, and show love. Hit the thumbs down. Only if your ugly ass is a bum. Hating is only love and jealousy at the same time. And get your paper, baby. Because you know I'm going to get mine. I'm just trying to show y'all some little razzle dazzle, man. Also, we got another swap. Probably the one car here at the House of Boost that's not boosted. Customer dropped off this IROC, and you know, Pac did what he do and he got him right. It's I think it's a 6.0 LS3 heads. Man, this thing came alive nice, man. They got the everything under the car painted. All the firewalls been painted. I'm gonna turn the camera around, let you guys check it out. So pretty much the car, it's I'm not sure if it's a true IROC. I call them all of them IROCs. This one is actually a T-top. If I ever, man, I've been wanting to get one of these forever. I bought one of these from the wrecking yard a long time ago, man. I still have it. It's been sitting there for about 2 years. I don't know what kind of damn paint he used on this, but it looks damn good. It looks brand new. I don't know what kind of paint he used for that either. But if you know, you know. It ain't come out no damn spray can. He had a plug, man. He had a dude come out here and spray everything. When I say everything, the dude sprayed everything. But look at that firewall. You see it? Dripping like water. Dripping like water. You want it? I got it. Dripping like water. That's a nice, super nice paint job, man. So the car is actually going to be that same exact. Oh, mother. Damn. I knew better than coming back here with my Vans on, man. I done stepped in a pile of oil. Shucks. Got to clean that off before I get in the truck. I really don't know what else he has to get done on this one, but I mean, from what I see, for the most part, it has shorties on that side. I'm trying not to step in his oil. It has shorties on that side. As you can see, 823 heads. I don't know who car this is, but yeah, dude gonna be making some noise, man. 6.0 cam LS3 LS swap IROC. It's a gang of stuff here, man. I wonder how the interior look. Interior look, it could use a little bit of Jesus, but man, it don't matter. I build all my cars inside out, man. I build everything inside out. Meaning, when I say inside out, I start with the engine, from the engine and transmission. I make sure that's right first, then I move on to my suspension and brakes. After that, I gotta do my music, do your you know, your interior, and then paint is like the last thing for me. So this guy right here is on to something. He did it the right way. This is PAX right here, the 6.4. It had an engine in here, but I believe he took it out. Let me see. Oh no, the engine is in there. He got more LS's in a little bit. But this one right here, this one ain't gonna be boosted or anything like that. This one is basically just gonna be a lowrider. Like I told y'all, the House of Boost, man. He took the 6.2 out of there. Oh damn, look at this X-pipe system, man. This is nice. Expensive ass exhaust system, man. That's why it was so loud and now boardless. You know what? His car wasn't even loud. Now that I think about it, until you hit it, then it's, man. You guys shake up in there. He got this one painted all the way around too. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice, ain't it? It got the ANs. Those are the AN fittings for the water pump. Got the big brakes on this too. Big brake setup on this. He doing everything on this one, so it's pretty much done. Y'all need some intakes? I think so. Okay. Look at that stall converter over there. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get up on out of here. That's enough about is that 243? 317s. I got enough videos for shoot. I for sure got enough for 2 videos. It's probably gonna be a 1-part, a 2-part, a 3-part. I don't know. I think I need to come get these Camaro seats from him. I gotta figure it out. I might come grab those 2015 Camaro seats. I got enough for a couple of videos, you guys. So like I said, man, if you haven't done so already, it's free to like, man. It's free to leave a like. It's free to leave a like. So I just ask that you leave a like for your boy. Show me some love. Leave it in the comments. I know y'all like the longer videos, but when it's, you know, when I'm doing reviews, I can only record so much. Hey, that Harley shirt right there costs about $10,000. He got some money too. You know what I'm saying? Something light, you know.
Price is 30.
For real though. Yeah, so we about to get up out of here, y'all. We finished shooting the update on the Malibu. Like he said, the rims are still on backwards. He still got three lug nuts. I think next, leave it in the comments if you guys want to see this 2015 diesel that he got. Is on 26s. On some big ass rims. Leave it in the comments if you guys want to see, want me to do a review of this thing, man. This like one of my favorite trucks. It got a 12-inch lift. I ain't gonna give you too much information on it because it ain't gonna be nothing to review after that. For all you guys that don't know, everybody said they think I look tall in the videos. I'm 5'11", and this truck, you see where my head at on this truck. It's a big ass truck, man. So I'm gonna go pay for some respects to my granddad. Tell him thanks for letting me come over here and eat up all this damn food. Thanks for coming over here for the review. I appreciate you. And we're gonna come back when we do a once the interior is 100% done. Once the rims on right.
And I got all my lug nuts.
Once we got all the lug nuts in, and once everything get done up on that, that's pretty much it. I'll come back and do one more review. See if he can lay some 11s down one time and get your paper, cause you know I'm gonna get mine. Ooh, baby, ooh. Real quick, y'all, before I go, I wanted to let you know that this vehicle right here, I'm not sure if you can tell, but shout out to Alden American suspension, man. They got him right. That's all we using over here, man. Alden American, dude. If you guys haven't checked out the video, Alden American, if you guys haven't checked out my sponsored video yet, Alden American has sponsored the 1969 Fire Chicken, aka Don't Touch My Chicken. They have sponsored that car for me, and I greatly appreciate it. We running all Alden American everything over here, so whatever car we get, that's what we're gonna be selling. That's what we're gonna be purchasing for all our vehicles. I got a 96 Impala, my 95 Caprice wagon. Everything is getting Alden set up on there. Coilovers, at least. They don't really sell. I know they sell the. What is it? They sell the. They sell the control arms for the C. I believe it's for the C10s only right now. But I think they're gonna venture out and make some for a couple of other cars. Gary, let me know if you guys need to. If you guys want to start making them for the Impalas. I know a guy that has a 96 Impala that can be used some mock-up or whatever. You can use it for mock-up, keep it as long as you want. And yeah, man. Once again, man, please just leave your boy a like. I'm out here hustling, trying to get everything done. I'm working legit. And all I'm asking is for a like, you know. I greatly appreciate it. Leave me a like, man. Come on, bro. Stop playing. Leave me a like. Leave your boy a like one time, man. Because I like you and I hope you like me. Ooh, baby.